No secret here. We've got a lot to talk about. Spring snow. How about that? So spring brings winter weather to central Indiana, and the potential's there for 6 inches of snow or more. Now, the wild card is going to be how much would we see on the ground at any one time. In other words, I do think we'll see melting initially have a big impact on the accumulation part of this, but the winter storm warning for all of central Indiana, conditions deteriorate as the snow falls and the temperature drops this evening. Visibility will drop to 1/4 mile and less in spots. Beware of that. Temperature down to 31 by the time we get to 11 o'clock. Once temperature gets at or below freezing, that's when we'll see the quick change on the roadways, especially bridges and overpasses first. Let's talk in general, and I do think there'll be exceptions both below and above what I'm talking about here in this 5 to 9 inch snowfall range. And again, at any one time, how much snow is on the ground is going to be dependent on those temperatures and how this plays out. Let me show you here and break it down into time periods. This is for Indianapolis between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. period of heaviest snow. 4 to 5 inch snowfall potential in that window, and then in addition between 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. another 1 to 2 inches of snow possible. We'll even see some more accumulation tomorrow of around an inch. The winds will gust to over 20 miles per hour through the overnight hours. Darker the blue, the heavier the snow. You see where that line is setting up, and it'll be some banding like this, some narrow ribbons where the snow will be heaviest. Exactly where that's set up is impossible to tell, but it will be in this warning area. 1 o'clock in the morning north of Interstate 70, heaviest snow Lafayette to Muncie and Indy, but you see the whole swirl on the back side of this through the morning hours tomorrow, which means it will be a slick morning commute. One reason, temperatures by that point solidly below freezing across central Indiana. Here's your morning commute. Temperatures stuck kind of in the middle to upper 20s. 6 a.m., 7 a.m., and 8 a.m. all consistent at 27. Light snow, windy and slick. TheIndyChannel.com will be your friend if you're trying to find out if you have a 2-hour delay or maybe get more time off during the day tomorrow. That 12-hour window from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow includes 30% chance of additional light snow. Do you see what I see? Look at next weekend. Temperatures back into the 50s. Concentrate on that. Oh, something to look forward to.